broadcast signals such as DVB-T, DVB-T2, DVB-C2, ISDVT, ATSC, DAB, they all follow very strict requirements regarding RF to ensure that they only occupy the bandwidth that they have been assigned, and they do not interfere or overlap neighboring channels. When these signals go through the power amplifiers at the transmitting site, usually what happens is that there are some unwanted RF components that appear at either side of the RF channel. Because of the shape of these components, these RF components, these have been called typically shoulders. The shoulder attenuation is a measurement that must be taken at the output of the power amplifier at the transmitting site. Because of the power level available at that point, it is needed that you use a power attenuator at the input of the analyzer to be able to adapt the signal power level to the maximum accepted by the analyzer. In order to access to this measurement tool, we will go to the TV analyzer mode. We will tune the signal of interest that we want to take this measurement on. In this case, we will do it over this DVB-T carrier. We will unfold the measurements list of tools. Here we will select shoulder attenuation. Once selected, we can see two blue bands appearing on either side of the RF channel. These are the areas where the shoulder attenuation measurements are taken. The one on the right is the shoulder attenuation measurement taken on the upper shoulder, and then the one on the left on the lower shoulder. You can see on the top right box on the screen two values which correspond to these attenuations for the lower and upper shoulder. The NextGen unit will automatically take this measurement following the guidelines that correspond to the norms that regulate the corresponding signal standards. So there is a norm for DVB-T, DVB-T2, ATSC, etc. And the NextGen will take into account these norms when calculating this shoulder attenuation measurement.